Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to restore permanently deleted photos and videos on Android. Without further ado, let's get started. First, you can go to your photos and check your deleted items. From there, you can check any photos you want to delete or recover. You can also go to your Google Photos and go to Library and check your trash. You can also recover deleted photos from there. Another way is you can also install File Manager from App Store to recover your deleted photos. Now select Images and tap the second icon at the top right corner. And check the hidden files. Now from there, you can recover your deleted photos. Also, to make sure the safety of your deleted files, you can go to Settings and check the Use Recycle Bin by default. You can check the recycle bin at the top left corner of the app. Another thing is you can install the photo recovery app from the Play Store, and you can use it also to recover your deleted apps. We can select the recover images and let our phone scan all of the images we have. Once it's done, you can take your time to find any photos you want to recover. And that's it for our today's video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.